Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the home of the future in AI, coding, crypto, hacking and technology. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in digital technology. Google has just unveiled its latest innovation, Google Gemini, and today we're taking a leap further with the launch of Google Gemini Ultra. Stay with us as we dive into the future. As we gear up to explore Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra, it's essential to understand the journey that has led us here. We have come a long way since the dawn of the digital age, from bulky computers to sleek smartphones, from dial-up connections to high-speed internet. Over the years, technology has evolved exponentially, paving the way for a digitally interconnected world. However, with the proliferation of digital devices and platforms, the need for integration and synchronization has become more pressing than ever. We're juggling between devices, struggling to keep our digital lives in sync. This is where Google steps in. Recognizing these challenges, Google has been working tirelessly to address these needs, and the result is Google Gemini. With this context in mind, let's now delve deeper into Google Gemini and discover how it promises to seamlessly synchronize our digital lives like never before. Google Gemini represents a breakthrough in digital service integration, promising a seamless synchronization of your digital life across multiple platforms. Gemini offers unparalleled integration, smart personalization through AI, and introduces advanced security measures to keep your data safe and interconnected. Imagine starting a task on one device and finishing it on another without any hassle. Google Gemini makes this seamless digital existence a reality. Years of innovation have culminated in the creation of Google Gemini, leveraging blockchain for security and machine learning for a personalized experience. Addressing privacy and data security, Gemini implements the latest encryption and user control measures, ensuring a safe digital environment. Let's take a closer look at Google Gemini and its groundbreaking features. Gemini's integration capabilities are second to none, allowing for an effortless transfer of data and tasks between devices. Whether you're moving from your phone to your laptop or from your tablet to your smart TV, Gemini ensures a seamless transition. But Gemini isn't just about integration. It's also about personalization, thanks to its advanced AI. This AI learns from your behavior, tailoring the Gemini experience to your specific needs and preferences. If you're a night owl, it'll adjust screen brightness and suggest content accordingly. If you're a fitness enthusiast, it'll prioritize fitness-related apps and notifications. And let's not forget about Gemini's advanced security measures. Leveraging blockchain technology, Gemini provides the utmost security for your data. This means you can sync your devices and share your data without worrying about data breaches or privacy violations. With Gemini, Google is truly revolutionizing the digital world, making it smarter, safer, and more interconnected than ever before. Elevating the experience further, today marks the introduction of Google Gemini Ultra, enhancing the Gemini Foundation with even more sophisticated technology. Gemini Ultra brings to the table enhanced AI personalization, an ultra-secure blockchain framework, and ultra-fast cross-platform syncing, setting new standards in digital integration. Exclusive to Gemini Ultra, these features redefine user interaction with technology, offering an intuitive and immersive digital experience. Gemini Ultra isn't just a technological marvel, it's a catalyst for societal and technological advancements, shaping the future of digital integration. Now, let's delve into the advanced features of Google Gemini Ultra. The enhanced AI personalization learns from your interactions, tailoring your digital experience to your unique needs and preferences. It's like having a personal assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. Then there's the ultra-secure blockchain framework, a fortress of digital security that protects your data from all angles. With Gemini Ultra, your information is not just secure, it's virtually untouchable. And let's not forget the ultra-fast cross-platform syncing. Imagine having all your devices sync in real time with no lag or delay. That's the power and speed of Gemini Ultra's cross-platform syncing. Gemini Ultra is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer. It's the next step in our digital evolution, redefining the way we interact with technology and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the limitless possibilities of Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. Join us as we explore the limitless possibilities of Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra, and witness the future unfold before your eyes. Picture this, a world where technology is at your fingertips, literally, thanks to Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. These innovations are poised to revolutionize our day-to-day interactions with technology. From the way we work, play, learn, and communicate, everything is about to change. And it's not just about individual convenience. Imagine the societal implications: greater accessibility, bridging digital divides, and fostering global connections. The future of digital integration is here, and it's powered by Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. Get ready to embrace a new era of digital transformation as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's take a moment to visualize a day with Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. Imagine waking up to a world where your device already knows your schedule, your preferences, and your needs. Your personalized news and updates are ready, your favorite music is playing, and your coffee maker is brewing your favorite blend, all in sync with your morning routine. During the day, your work and personal life integration is seamless. Your device knows when to switch between work emails, personal messages, and even when to remind you to take a break. All this while ensuring your data is safe, secure, and private. As you wind down for the day, your device adjusts to your relaxation schedule, dimming the lights, playing your favorite evening playlist, and setting the alarm for your next exciting day. With Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra, every day becomes a step into the future, and this future is just around the corner. Have you ever wondered what the future looks like with Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra? The possibilities are endless. From healthcare, where Gemini could assist doctors with real-time patient data, to education, where Ultra could customize learning for each student. Imagine a global community that's more connected, where language barriers are broken down, thanks to Gemini's advanced translation capabilities. Picture a world where everyone has access to the same wealth of information, where Gemini Ultra could democratize knowledge, bridging the gap between developed and developing nations. What about businesses? With Gemini and Gemini Ultra, they could revolutionize the way they operate, bringing about a new era of efficiency and innovation. The future is bright, and it's powered by Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. Stay with us as we continue to explore the world of tomorrow, today. Wrapping up our journey, it's clear to see that Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra are not just revolutionary tools, they're catalysts for a digital transformation that's set to reshape our world. We've delved into their seamless synchronization, advanced features, and the impact they could have on our everyday lives and the future. With Gemini, we're looking at a world where everyone has access to information, where businesses operate at peak efficiency, and where global communities are more connected than ever before. We invite you to join us in this digital revolution, to embrace the possibilities that Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra present. The future is not just about technology, it's about the people who use it and the changes they can bring about. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future with Google Gemini and Gemini Ultra. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create.